Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bibi, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to lay your edges perfectly. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining the family, sweetheart. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get post notifications if you haven't. So let's get right into the video. So guys, I'm going to be using my Echo styling gel and a toothbrush. I'm not using it again. I don't use it to brush my teeth. I'm not using it again. So that's what I'm going to be using. Then I'm going to scoop out my gel with the brush. Just small. Yeah. Just small. Just small. And I used to brush out my edges. Guys, if you want a tutorial on how to grow your edges, please don't hesitate to drop your comments below. Yeah. After brushing out my edges with brushes, then I'm going to separate each two like this. So guys, so you just scoop it out. Then basically you're brushing your hair like this. Yeah, you're brushing your hair like this. But your hand is stopped on this place to make your hair slick. You get, so it's just like this. Basically, it's just scoop it out and yeah. Then second one, brush it out like this again. So guys, it's the same process for this side. So that's this one again. Then second one. Yeah guys, so that's how you do your edges. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining the family, sweetheart. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get post notifications if you haven't. And don't hesitate to drop your comments on what you'd like to see next on my channel. And guys, my braids are ready for taking out. If you want to see me take out my braids and see the actual length of my hair, yeah, yeah, drop a comment below. See you guys in my next video.